Welcome to online English class with Miss Reza. So today you will learn about connectors. So what do you think connectors are? Let's learn together. Connectors are joining words. They are commonly used to connect ideas that are linked together. Connectors are also known as conjunction. So basically you use connectors to join two sentences, right? So let's find out more. So we will talk about types of connectors or conjunctions. There are 8 types, which are addition, contrast, time and sequence, reason and purpose. Another one is choice, place, condition, and cause and effect. Alright, so you can use connectors in different situations. Let's learn the first. Connectors for addition. We can use that to connect similar ideas. How? Let's see the example. Jack is polite and caring to everyone around him. Can you find connectors? Try. What is it? You're right. It's N. Another. Can you find another connectors? Not only, but also. Yeah, you can use that. Right? Another one. Where is it? Yes, you're right. As well as this one. You're right. Both in N. So connectors for addition, remember, you use that to connect similar ideas. If you have two similar ideas, it's better you connect it with the connectors. What are they? And not only, but also, as well as, both in N. Easy. Let's see. Second type. Connectors for contrast. You use that to connect different or opposing ideas. So you contrast them. Let's see the example. Jane can whip up an Italian feast, but she doesn't know how to cook Japanese food. Can you find the connector there? Try. Yes, it's but. You connect, you contrast between Jane can whip up an Italian feast and you contrast it. But she doesn't know how to cook Japanese food. How about this one? It's easy. Come on. What is it? You're right. It's yet. But and yet has similar meaning. Another one? Yes, however. Good. So we usually use yet and however for writing. But it's more formal connectors for contrast. So we can use it for both speaking and writing. Remember that. Next, we have another connectors for contrasting. Can you find the connectors from the example? What is it? Although. How about that one? Oh, you're right. Is the another one? Which one? Still. Though can be used at the end of a sentence. Like, for example, This jacket is perfect for winter. It's expensive though. And see that? That's also connectors. Although can also be used with even, like Beth is still energetic even though she has just run 10 kilometers. So you can see that. So can you mention again connectors for contrast? But, however, yet, still, though, and although. Let's see. This is the third type. I will read the story, yeah? I was leaving the store when I sensed something amiss. After turning into the corner, I started running as soon as a strange man started walking briskly behind me. Can you find some connectors there? When? Yes. After? As soon as. Can you guess what type of connectors are they? Good guess. Those are the examples of connectors for time and sequence. You use that to combine sentences to show the time and sequence, right? You can use until, as, before, after, just as, whenever, as soon as, when, since, while, and then. Let's see the fourth time. So here the connectors for purpose. If you want to express the intention of an action, you use this kind of connectors. But if you want to explain why something happens or why we do something, you use connectors for reason. Let's check the example. She collected the rainwater so that she could water the flowers. Can you find the connector there? Absolutely. So that. Yeah? Another one. Can you find that? That's so easy. Hey, alright. In order to. This one. Aisha went to see the doctor because she had a stomachache. Which one? Reason. Because. Yes. Aisha went to see. Which one? Us. Alright. So you see? Reason and purpose. They use different connectors. So for the connectors for purpose, you can use so that, so as to, and in order to. But for a reason, you can use because, as, and for. Okay. Thank you for watching and listening. See you in the next lesson. Especially, I have posted the connectors part 2. Don't miss it. See you.